Well,
Hey guys, it's RebeccaOberstadt. In today's video, we are working on part 3 of the Deimos. We are about to go talk to Brother, so let's go.
Noticed my collar, did you? A not-so-gentle reminder from dearest mother. No one in the universe can hold a grudge as deep or as long. She took away all my Entrati command words with it. Lloyd's got more respect in this family than I do. One simple mistake.
To be fair, it was not exactly a simple mistake.
How many times do I have to say I'm sorry? I broke the containment protocol. I carried the spores in. I screwed up. And suddenly, they all acknowledged my existence.
yeah, because you
Suddenly,
the entire
something
place.
I'd done actually mattered. As if humiliating me would undo what happened to them. We're a lost cause. The infestation will come for what's left of us in time. Speak of them, and they shall appear.
So, Brother has an ulterior motive. I'm not quite sure we have the entire story with him, but, you know, he basically released and or killed all of his sister's specimens, and she's like the brainy one out of both of them, and this one just seems, I don't know, he just seems like the turd brother that wants to do everything wrong. But this is part 4 now so far, so
I get it.
yeah, I mean,
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Disgusting,
Maybe
you
it's not the
motherfucker.
abomination you think it is. Maybe it knows better than Mother. Maybe we ought to succumb to it. Let it win.
Some has strange ideas about what victory looks like. The solar rails, the cannon. We all depend on the heart to keep the wall open to the other side. If the heart stops, everything goes with it.
Oh, but think of all the time we'd have for hobbies.
okay, so I got kind of yeah. It's been a little bit disjointed because I cut this off so short. I think for the next part, I'm not gonna cut as much space off the very end of it, so that when I start the beginning of the next one, I have a little bit more space to say hi. Anyways, I'm RebeccaOberstadt. Today we are working on Deimos. This is the brother part. We are working on the quest line for him. So far we have done Mother's Quest, Father's Quest, and Daughter's Quest. We are now working with Brother. He is underground. He was bad. He did some heinous things to his sister. I mean, he's a brother. What do you expect? Brothers do that to sisters. I think it's part of the handbook. So, anyways, yeah, and there's some stuff up here that like scares the hell out of me in just a second. So that should be fun to let you guys giggle at, because it did actually surprise me. I'm like, what in the fuck? See, it just fucking ran me over. Like, what in the fuck? Okay, so anyways, this is, let's see, 1, 2, 3. This, I guess, should be part 4, and then there will be one more part after this. Remember, loot everything, kill everything. I mean, if it's in your way, just kill it. I was definitely not expecting that juggernaut down here, as you can tell. Scared the ever-living shit out of me, and yeah, so I needed a woosah moment after that. But yeah, we are playing through this. I don't know how long this one's gonna be. I think it's about 20 minutes or so. Each part's been about 20 minutes. I'm trying not to make them too long. I'll probably speed this part up a little bit, but we're just giving you a heads up on that. And
Well, you can hold the fucking umbrella for.
The next part, I end up like unlocking some things. A lot of this stuff you like can explore and whatnot. It's really kind of neat if you pay attention to the way things are done. If you look around, there's like certain indicators that you can find. Like when I go into this room, you'll see there's like symbols and stuff. Those are the kinds of things that you need to pay attention to. It will also denotate the like order in which things should be done. So those are like things that I've paid attention to, and I will get into that in just a second.
Requiem Cipher. I'm embarrassed to say I'm unsure what to make of this. Tenno, can you figure it out?
Chip. Do it. Do it. Okay, I'll do it. Ooh, ooh, let me. Got it. That doesn't sound happy.
Don't distract him. This is very mentally taxing for a Tenno. Success!
Just an FYI, to actually do that for real, you have to be on your operator and you use your amp in order to do that. You shoot at the little balls and it activates them. You don't walk up and it has an X thing there to activate, so.
Whoa.
I didn't expect you'd get through the door before I had a chance to finish. Forgive me. This is the only way.
By the heart. It's dead. The wall's closing, Mother. It's over.
Good. Good. You think this is good?
Oh, so you're talking to us now. Mother, don't. This isn't the time.
Shut up. I want to see how low she can dig.
Of course you do. Anything to make you feel better about yourself.
I wonder where he gets that from. Stop.
At least you didn't try to kill me.
Oh, please. You've been playing dead since the day I was born.
Well, I wish you hadn't.
Stop!
Uh-oh, somebody pissed Mama off. You don't piss Mama off. Like, ever. No. That's bad.
Getting back to the surface is not going to be easy. I don't know how to break this to you, but your Warframe, it's barely functional. You're going to have to stay low and out of sight. I know a shortcut, but you've got to do the rest.
So, I don't know if you noticed, but not only did they piss Mama off, but that necromech actually, like, blew up the heart, which is, alls. And, I don't know what's gonna happen now, but the necromech, if you look, also did massive amounts of damage to me. And I remember Father was saying something about the fact that they could not only defeat the operator, but also the Warframe. If you look, I can't do anything. I have no skills, no weapons, no nothing. My frame is like fried. So I am like wandering through here defenseless because I can't use any of my skills. I'm like scoping out the place before I run through because I don't want to get attacked by nothing.
Having fun? I mean, it looks fun and quite dangerous. Oh, good, there's another up ahead.
This part here I didn't do so well on. See the guy walking across right now? Yeah, if he sees you, he like bum rushes you and insta-kills you kind of thing. There's no way to like sneak past him. And because I waited too long in some of these areas when I was trying to do this, I ended up getting seen. Look, there's another guy right there. I'm like, oh, fuck, where do I go? What do I do? They're gonna see me. So you have to avoid them at all costs. And there's like no crouching in this game. You can't like sneak around. You can't like do some of the things that you would normally do in another game. You can't do that. This hallway here, I also had problems with where I tried to like sneak around and I stood there at the doorway too long looking one way and he came up from the other direction and hit me. I was like, ah, son of a... So, yeah, don't do what I did. You have to be real sneaky about things. The other thing that I noticed that would probably be helpful is there's stairs or a ramp or something over there to the left. yeah, he actually comes up this side to the right and gets me. But over there to the left, I thought, okay, well, I see there's a guy up there. Whoa, see, he just fucking bum rushed me. Oh.
Fuck.
Yeah. So, oh, my kitty. I gotta revive my kitty. Poor kitty. So anyways, I'm going to let this play for just a little bit. I'm going to let you guys watch. I know Lloyd just came up and talked. I am like damaged. I now have like no shield. My hit points are kind of zilch and squat. So yeah, I need to, yeah, it's one of those. This was nerve-wracking, but yeah, you need to get up over there. You need to go left. You have to watch out for the asshole that bum rushes you up on the right. He'll come up on the right. He comes up the stairs and then walks across, but he also walks down in front of that. So you need to go out this door, hang a left, go up the stairs, and see the other guy up there on the ramp if you look out the doorway. So you have all of that you have to do and not get seen. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit. It took me several tries to do it before I had enough balls to actually go and do it, because it was definitely nerve-wracking, to say the least.
Be patient. Impossible, John.
You're still alive. That means we can fix this. We can get the heart back if we work together.
I don't care what you say. That esophagus thing that just spit me out is absolutely disgusting. That last little bit of trying to get out of there was very nerve-wracking. I was like super stressed out trying to get out of there. And now I'm heading back to the necrolis so that I can go and finish talking with who I'm supposed to talk to finish this quest line. So yeah, I'm gonna be ending this here soon. Let me know your thoughts down below, because like this last part was harder than I expected. Like, I didn't expect it to blow up the heart. I didn't expect to have those necromechs like literally like zoom across and like attack me the way that they did. There's like no sneaking, no nothing. I mean, I was like, holy, there's like kind of just gotta watch and keep moving, and they had several that like overlapped, so it made it even harder to go in some of those places. And yeah, So, I guess we're gonna go talk
Do you
to
think they will
mother
be
or
willing
father.
to go back down? Son and I can bait the worm to draw the infestation away, up to the surface.
Even if I agreed to help, what about the necromax down there? Just one of those things.
I've got a little something that I've been saving for an occasion like this.
Alright, I've got the calculus data for a restart, but I'll need 10 quanta of leptosan. Son?
I have it. Should we wake up grandmother?
Let her sleep. Wouldn't want her to worry.
Alright, with the void closing up, you're gonna be too weak to help in that frame. Snake's in rough shape, but she's got enough juice for one last ride. What do you say? Ready to go old war style? Alright. Ideal, but I've cross-routed your Warframe impulse string directly to Snake. Now, she'll feel heavy, but you'll get used to it. Head outside, and we'll run a field test before your descent.
Alright, so I'm gonna end this here. This is what, part 4? Part 5, I guess I get to try out this bad boy. So keep watching. Looks like it's gonna be 6 parts because, as you heard a minute ago, there is a grandma. So we're gonna use him for an episode, and then we're gonna meet grandmama. So yeah, let me know your thoughts below. I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are. Bye.